to start off with the Vanity. So the Vanity, I got it at Impressions Vanity. I'm going to show y'all. It has the little label on here. I got it from Impressions Vanity. It's just that my brushes cover it up. So I just got the Vanity itself with the lights at Impressions Vanity. But I've been having it for a while, so a couple lights have gone out already and I have not had time to order them. But I kind of just have it like this. I have my brushes on top of it. It kind of does take a little bit of space, which is this. It's kind of like oval, so it does take space off of the table. So now going to the table, I got this tabletop and it actually comes up. If you kind of lift it, it lifts up. It's just a tabletop with the little legs, and I do have one of the IKEA Alex drawers, and I will be linking everything down below so you guys can purchase it, or in case you want to kind of recreate my Vanity look. And on that corner, I just have kind of my hair products, my my hair products, my facials and stuff like that. And then these, I got these at Target. I believe they were $1. Last time on my last video, I tried to link them, but they did not have them online. So I was unfortunately not able to link them. But these are just I guess little holders for pencils or stuff like that, and I just use them for my brushes. So the tabletop, IKEA, I got this from IKEA as well. My chair, I found it at a thrift store. It's kind of like a new things kind of thrift store. It's like a I don't even know what they're called, but yeah, it was two. I sold the other one and I kept one of them. It's just a clear chair, and I've been wanting to put a rug on top of it, but I haven't had time to buy one. So I have my lipsticks in this little clear thing, and that's just what I have on top. And then up here I have this Patrick Star MAC So Fleeky, and it still has the makeup inside of it because I don't know, I just haven't taken it out. I have my camera. I'm recording on my phone because I find it way easier, and I'm waiting for my adapter to come in so I can edit on my camera. But for now, I'm using my phone, so that's why my camera's up there. I have this MAC lipstick thing, and if you open it, let me open it so you guys can see. If you open it, it has different lipstick. This was and I'm missing the red one. I haven't been able to find it. Anyway, so this is a limited edition. It was like a Christmas limited edition thing. So I just have this on top. And then my Louis Vuitton, or however you say it. And on top, I have these frames that say I love makeup. On a bad day, there's always lipstick, and wake up and makeup. I got these at Burlington. I'm not sure if every state has a Burlington, but I will try to see if I can find them. And they are BB. They're the brand BB. So I'm gonna try and see if I can link them down below if I can find them. But I got them at Burlington. And if you have a Burlington around, I've been seeing them again, and also in a miniature size, kind of like in this Patrick Star type of size. So if you don't want them as big as mine, they do have them in the smaller size, like I said, in that size. So that is how I have my Vanity. If you guys want to see my old Vanity, I will be having it linked down below. It is totally a different transformation. I will say the most expensive thing I have is the Impressions Vanity mirror. That's the most expensive, and I do have to purchase the lights that are a little on the pricey side because they're like $9 each or something like that. They are pretty expensive. And keep in mind, if you want to order an Impressions Vanity, just keep in mind these light bulbs are really dangerous. Don't have your kids around them, siblings or anything like that, because let me show y'all what they are capable of doing. They melted my bag, and as well, it has happened that I've reached for my brushes, or as you can see, my light bulb touches. Well, this one is out, but I have to replace it. But like, let's say my brushes are touching it, it literally burns the brush. Like it doesn't burn it, but it heats it up so much, and when I put it on my eye, I end up burning myself. But I remember I was trying to reach on this side and try to grab like a hair product, and it actually burned my hand. And I don't know if I have the mark, but it did burn my hand. So just keep in mind that these light bulbs do really get super duper hot, and they don't only have them in this color. They do have the LED, but this was the cheapest one light bulbs I could get. I really wanted it, and I saved some money because I really wanted a different vanity setup, as you guys can see. So this is my vanity, my updated vanity. I will be linking down below my old vanity. I know it's a huge change. I saved up money and I bought this, and I believe this, I'm gonna give you all the prices of them. So I believe this was like $20, and I will still have it linked down below for you guys. This was about $80 if I'm not mistaken, or mistaking, I don't know how you say it. The vanity itself, just the light bulbs and the mirror, was around $600, round off. I'm not sure, but I will be looking for it, so I can link it down below. And then the rest is just, small things that you can find at your local Marshalls, Ross, or Burlington. And the frames, I believe, were like $15 each. I'm not sure, but I just fell in love with it, and this is how it looks. And I used to have this carpet that I have right here on it, but it does get dirty, so I took it off. But that is my updated vanity.